Okay, so we're going to go ahead and graph a parabola. This is our second example. I notice right here that I got a y is equal to, so we have this format. Y is equal to 1 over 4p x minus h quantity squared plus k. So I look at this. There's no shift for x, and then I look here and there's no k, so I know my vertex is at 0, 0. Okay? So that's one of the things I should identify first and foremost, and then I should ask myself, how does this guy open? Well, it's a y equal to, so this means we're going to go up, open, up, or down. So I look at the sign in front of the equation and I notice that it's positive. It's positive, so I'm opening up. Okay, so I'm going to plot my vertex, and I can draw a very generic picture right now. I know it opens up. What's more important is the other pieces that we're working with. So I know that's how I'm going to open, and then I need to find P, because P tells me about my focus and my directrix. Okay? So that's what P is going to tell me. So I know in order to find P, I use what's in front of the variable that's squared. So I look at this 1/12. I know 1/12 is equal to 1 over 4P. It might be easy to say that P is equal to 3, but the one thing I'm going to do is, because when things are a little bit more difficult, we cross multiply, say 4P is equal to 12, P is equal to 3. So that tells me in order to find the focus, it's moving up and down, right? So the focus is going to move up from the vertex. So if it's moving up, my center is at 0, 0, but I'm going to add 3 because that's what P is. And so my focus is going to be 0, 3. So I'm going to move up 3, and I plot my focus. Now for my directrix, my y value is going to equal 3. And I'm going to actually erase this because our directrix, that wasn't clean. Our y value right now at the vertex is equal to 0, but I need to subtract 3 units because moving backwards from the vertex is a negative direction. So what I do is I plot the point here, and then I draw my horizontal line. So this is equal to, y is equal to -3. It's the equation of that line. And the last piece I'm going to find is the axis of symmetry. Well, the axis of symmetry is the line that's perpendicular to the directrix, and it has to go through the vertex. Okay, so in this example, we're going to have a vertical line. And with the vertical line, it goes through 0. So I know x is equal to 0. So these are all the little pieces that we're going to have to find. And then here is our graph for our equation. The little thing's going to help you with the directrix that we've talked about numerous times is oy voo. A horizontal line is y is equal to, and a vertical line is x is equal to. And that's a great way to remember whether I'm a y equal to or an x equal to equation. Okay, so this guy right here is x is equal to 0. So there's our second example for graphing a parabola in this new format. We're going to move on to a description and creating a graph based on a description and coming up with the equation, and then we'll move to translate it so the vertex will be moved around.